All right, here's another video brought to you by LS Kids Zone. We're gonna play a little. What is that, dude? Two?
It's a
You don't know.
flying frenzy.
Flying frenzy. Let's see that. Whoa, cool. Looks like fun. All right, you guys ready to play? You ready to play? Are you ready to play two, dude, one?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa, what is all that stuff?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear in a Woody hat, and there's a mallet. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys ready? How do you play?
Mama,
How do you play, guys?
What do we do, dudes?
Mommy, can you
Put Buzz Lightyear on and you slam that hammer down and try to get him on the head.
Oh, cool. I can't wait to see.
All right, we're doing a test run. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! He went far.
Okay, dude 1 gets to try. Whoever gets the most buzzes on their head wins the game.
Are you ready? Whoa! You didn't get it.
Dude 2's turn. Ready?
Oh, no. Is he going to do it? Oh, no. It's just a game. All right, can you do it? You got your hat on sideways, partner. There you go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow, you didn't do
All right,
it.
let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! We
Whoa.
Buzzy.
Buzzy, Buzzy.
Go ahead, dude 2. Go for it.
All right. I can't wait to see how you're going to do it.
That
Nice.
one is squeeze factor of 2.
Can I see one of those buzzes, dude, one? Whoa, look at that buzz. Flying.
I give him a 4.
Real stretchy. Whoa,
Somebody
whoa.
just broke a leg off.
Oh, no.
Okay, try
Don't
that.
break, don't
You
break me,
ready?
partner.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you didn't make it.
try again.
Oh, no.
Whoa, we didn't count. No.
2, 3.
No. What did we start with?
1.
1.
2, 3.
Oh, you didn't make it.
1.
Oh, no. Is it
Somebody broke a leg
Mrs.
off.
Dude's turn? Dudette?
Whoa.
Somebody broke a leg off.
Ready?
I broke my leg.
You broke your leg.
I broke my leg. I broke my leg off.
We'll fix it.
I did.
I
can't.
You did it.
I did.
Buzz doesn't like that.
One.
Yay, you did it.
It's
It's on your hat.
Oh.
Oh, you dropped it. All right, are you ready, friendies? Whoa, you just putting it back together? We got the Flying Frenzy game.
All right, ready?
Toy Story 4. There's Woody and Bo.
Wait.
And there's Buzz flying off of the thing and the hammer into the hat.
Wait till Dad.
Right there. That's pretty cool.
Okay, we're gonna try them all.
All right. This is for all the marbles. We got 4 Buzzes. How many are there?
I think there's 6.
6 Buzz Lightyears. Let's try all 6 of those buzzes.
1. Okay. 1.
Ah, you did it. Dudette's turn. Come on, Dudette.
I don't know if it'll fit my head.
Put
All right, let the mama
let me
try.
Not even one on though.
Can you put one on for me?
All right, load her
Thanks,
up.
Mom. Can I have the
Now she's the hammer.
mallet?
All right, let her try.
Ready?
Let's see if she can
Watch.
do it.
You think I'm gonna make it? What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, she didn't do it. Oh no.
Here you go, dude.
My turn. Dun, dun, dun.
All right, nobody's winning this game.
Somebody won it once.
Yeah? Who?
Okay, ready?
Do two.
Do two?
2, 3.
Wow!
So close.
Can I see the thing? This. You put the buzz on here, and then you hit this with a hammer. You try to get on the Woody hat. Right. We got the hammer here. Cool. And the Woody hat. Pretty cool. All right, my turn. Can I try?
What are you doing? Why are you doing it again?
I never got to try. All right. All right, it's my turn. Can I have this? Dude, can I have a buzz? Do you guys think I'm going to get it or not?
No way.
No? All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm so good. Hey. You guys like the game?
Yeah.
Woohoo! All right. That's it for Ella's Kid Zone. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe.
Woohoo! I'm the winner. I'm the champion.